Today I have made a STEM related spec. Components I have used are air pump, air tank, manometer, switches, piston, and many more. Let me show you how it works. When I pump the air, the air tank will store the air. The manometer will show the pressure of the air. The blue pipes are input pipes and the black and grey pipes are output pipes. The pipes are connected with the other pipes are connected with the switches and pistons. When we on the first switch, the piston will help to stamp the pad, and when I on the second switch, the second piston will help to change the pad. Let me show you one. Let me show you.